Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials and hit the notification bell icon to get instant notifications. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and I'm very excited to announce that full reviews or full ROM reviews are finally going live on this channel. Now you have a lot of channels who are doing phone reviews, car reviews, bike reviews, but there are very few channels who are doing ROM reviews, and while I am doing it, I wanted it to be perfect in such a way that you know what is being done. So we have defined a way we are going to rate each and every custom ROM. Basically it is going to be, or we are calling it, a 5-point review system in which we have 5 important aspects, or 5 pillars which makes a custom ROM usable and user friendly, and then those are subdivided into pointers. Each and every one has 20 points each, and it combines into 100 points in total. So let me run you down these particular things so that when you watch tomorrow's video you will be aware what exactly is being done and how a ROM is being rated. Now before we do that, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a cut to my second channel, that is Kratos390, that is getting a lot of exciting stuff as well, so do subscribe there as well. And there is a link in the description which allows you to participate in the giveaway and win a Zenfone M2. Now without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's begin.
I've been keeping myself so busy, pushing out the misery, trying to...
Alright, so let me explain you the 5-point review system. Now the important things that we are going to consider while flashing a ROM are, first of them is appearance and aesthetics, that has 20 points, and then we have stability and performance, that has 20 points, and the third one is of course camera, the ever important camera, and which is a pain point in a lot of custom ROMs. The fourth point of course is battery performance, the charging time and the discharging time, so battery life and how fast does it charge. And the last point of course is overall opinions. So the first pointers, appearance and aesthetics, why does it include 20 points? Well, we have 4 points for the default launcher and all its features. Apart from that, we have 4 points for theme engine if available and how does it work. So based on that we will rate the ROM. Then we have other customization options, so that's 4 points right there. And then we have a very important feature, that is substantum support, because that allows you to make a lot of wicked themes for your phone. And the last pointer is overall fit and finish when it comes to looks and how beautiful. For example, Lineage OS to me is very pure, plain and bland, but Resurrection Remix or Dot OS is very funky and fancy, so that is where those ROMs will score points or lose points and vice versa. Now moving on to the second point over here, we have stability and performance. Now for a lot of you guys, PUBG is important, benchmark scores are important, so this is the section where it will be talked about, and that has around 20 points again. The first pointer here is network connectivity. Now when I said PUBG, of course network connectivity is going to be important. And then we have lags, that is very important because hey, we are talking about a Snapdragon 845, and if your user interface is going to lag, then not good, is it? Then of course we have gaming performance, which has 4 points again. We have benchmarks, which has 4 points again, and the last option in performance section is heating and throttling. So all these will combine into 20 points. And then we have the ever important camera part. So camera again has 20 points here. So first of all is photo, which gets 4 points, video, which gets 4 points, and then we have low light photo, which gets 4 points, and low light video, which gets 4 points. Now the last 4 points are left for portrait or any other extra features that are not available maybe in the stock ROM or something like that. So those are the 20 points allocated in the camera section. Now we move on to the battery performance, because a ROM is no good if it doesn't give you battery life or good battery life or fast charging. So of course we have battery drain. How fast does it drain? Like over a day or two I'll be using it, and how much screen on time did it give me, how much standby time did it give me, and out of 10 points I'll be rating it. And then of course we have the charging speed, which will determine in 1 hour how much does it charge, and based on that it will get points. So that's your 20 points right there. Now finally we come to the end of the review, and we have overall opinions, which has 2 sections, 10 points each. One is bugs, so if you have any bugs the points will be deducted, and out of 10 that particular ROM will be rated. updated, and then we have updates, because if a developer is porting a ROM, say Resurrection Remix, and you're going to update it like 3 months, 4 months down the line, then it doesn't make sense. The only reason, or one of the reasons we move to custom ROMs is because we want updates. Now these are 5 points and they have 20 score points each, so that combines into a 100 pointer, and when we get the final score we will rate it out of 5. Now I would request you guys to let me know in the comment section, how do you think the review system is, because the way I'm going to do this is I'll be using one ROM for 2 days, because my daily usage is not that heavy. It would include me charging the phone overnight, then I get ready for going to work, check my mails, reply to some of your comments, and then on the way to work on Bluetooth or on earphones for 1.5 hours or 1 hour, I'll be listening to music or streaming music, and then once I'm at work, the phone is just lying around for the rest of the day in standby, and only when I take a break from work I check the notifications, and then again music while from work back to home, sometimes PUBG. So my usage in a daily basis is not that heavy, but over the weekends my usage is really high. So this is how I plan on reviewing each and every ROM, and at the end of the second day you will see that the review is coming out. So expect in the next 1 or 2 months a lot of ROM reviews for Poco, and I will also keep throwing polls, so I would request you to be active in the community of my channel. Now that is everything about the 5-point review system, which will go live from tomorrow or Monday, because we are already on the second day of using Pixel Experience and it's going great, it's going good, and I'm really happy with this ROM. Now before we end this video, let me tell you that we are very close to 9,700 subscribers, and just to throw some light on the giveaway, the way it is going to work is once the channel touches 10,000 subscribers, as a celebration I'll be ordering the Zenfone Max M2, and once we reach 10,500 subscribers I will be going ahead and drawing the winner from Gleam. Now once the winner is announced, within 1 or 2 weeks I'll be shipping the phone to them from here, because for those 2 weeks I will be reviewing the phone, making videos on it. But don't worry, you will not get a phone which is in a used condition. I will not be using it for personal use, I will just be using it for videos, and all the other time it is going to be in a box, because I have the Poco for my daily usage. So if you haven't already, yes, please do subscribe and share this video as much as you can, so that we can reach those 10,000 or 10,500 subscribers. And after this review or after this particular giveaway, there will be another giveaway coming up as well. So let me know, how did you like this video, how did you like the review system and stuff like that. And until the next one, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.
So purely, I'm pushing myself to the edge, not wanna go away.